G'day guys, thanks for viewing our Mazda CX5 Akera we have here. This one here has got the front park sensors, daytime running lights, projector headlights. You do have the washer jets, and this is finished in this stunning grey colour. Alloy wheels, plenty of tread tyres, colour-coded mirrors, blind spot monitoring, and so much more. Some of the great features are you get the Bose sound system, full leather trim, sunroof. This one has had a replacement motor done back in 2018 under Mazda warranty, so it is all ready for its new owner without having any of those issues. Coming through the back, as you can see, it's in great condition all the way around. You've got the rear parking sensors, tow bar on the back. Coming through in the back, that rear blind that goes all the way through. Carpet is well protected with that rubber mat as well. And coming down to the side, it's in great condition. Coming through inside, you get electric seats as well, dual zone climate control. You've got your cruise control, auto lights, auto wipers, 176,000 Ks, and it does have the satellite navigation as well, so really easy to use with a clear display. Heated front seats, automatic transmission, and so much more. We look forward to speaking to you soon.